Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Kia Optima trunk with a dead battery. First, check for an emergency release lever inside the car, often near the driver's seat or in the glove compartment. If your rear seats fold down, you might be able to access the trunk that way. Sometimes, even with a low battery, the key fob's trunk release button might still function, so give that a try. If the fob doesn't work, look for a physical keyhole on the trunk lid itself. Insert your car key and turn it to manually unlock the trunk. If there's no keyhole, you'll need to get some power to the car. You can do this by connecting jumper cables to the positive and negative terminals located under the hood, usually near the engine. Alternatively, a portable jump starter can be connected to those same underhood terminals to provide temporary power. Another method involves applying 12 volts of power directly to a specific fuse in the fuse box, which can sometimes activate the trunk release. Always refer to your Kia Optima's owner's manual for the exact fuse location and proper procedure to avoid damage. Once you've successfully provided power to your Kia Optima, whether through a jump start or an alternative method, you should then be able to use the interior trunk release button. The key fob's trunk button should also function normally again, allowing you to open the trunk with ease. For other great deals, including leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the links in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.